Look at this. We harken back to 1973 and the Lincoln Continental Mark IV two-door hardtop. Oh, look at that car. This particular car is a three-owner car. Second owner owned this car since 1978. States the miles are accurate, in the 50,000 mile range. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior, start it up, let you see the engine bay. Speaking of engine bay, 460 V8 underneath the hood with a 4-barrel. That is paired up with a C6 automatic transmission, 275 regular rear end in it. This paint, I guess, if it was Ford, probably be considered Wimbledon white, and Lincoln just considered white. It was not their special order white. They did a special order white also. It's more like a Wimbledon white. Take a look at that iconic Lincoln front grille. Of course, the Hideaway headlights. We're going to start it up, open those doors up for you, let you take a look at that too. Now, paint on here does show its age in a few spots, and I will kind of point those out as we go around. But man, what a fun car to get in and just take a cruise in, go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Don't see a lot of these on the road anymore. Now, if you want to check out still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Look at the length of that car and how straight it is too. Now, right here, there are a few touch-ups. Right here, do have some imperfections in the paint that have been touched up. Another little one down here. This actually has a Jacksonville DSO on it. And again, according to prior ownership, spent a lot of time southern states before coming to us here. Interior, paint code BW, so it is the leather. Split seats up front. As you can see, very stock dash. Did notice the antenna, power antenna switch. I did not get the power antenna to go up and down, FYI. And there have been a few touch-ups along the way. A couple small ones, you can see that right there. Here, again, to me it's one, get in and drive it, have some fun. And look around that rear wheel well. Not all bubbling, blistering, anything like that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let you get a good look at the vinyl roof. White on white on white. Opera style windows in the rear. Lincoln logo. Just class. 1973. Going down the road and this would be something. Of course, the hidden keyhole for the trunk. Opened that up earlier, had pictures of it. You can see those in the still pictures, of course. A little touch up back here. Rear chrome bumper. Take a look at the condition. And those still pictures, you want to see the trunk, the undersides, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side. A few of these little, just again, small touch-ups, if you can even see that. One of the previous owners definitely took care of this car around the rear wheel wells. Looks good. A couple of those touch-ups, or maybe a scup here or there, just a couple in the white down there. Right close to 100 pictures of this car online. There's a little tiny bit of bubbling or touch-up right there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Dual power seats, both sides on this one. They do work. Of course, controls up here and also power windows. Remote mirror. Take a look at this. Old Ford Motor Company vacuum gauge. Kind of interesting. Don't see those every day. Power steering, power brakes, AC. All the components appear to be there as far as the AC. I have not had it blowing cold, FYI. We'll check out the engine bay here. just a second. All right, miles, mentioned that earlier. So you got a little over 50, 58,391. You can see that. Be able to see it in the still pictures, but it reads 58,391. All right, see how easily it starts? Philco AM/FM stereo, which has been stock in this car. Works fine. Take a look at the dash. Not cracked, sun faded, anything like that. Now you notice that red light that's on. Low fuel light. You come over here, I'm going to show you something. Fuel gauge is not reading. All right, previous owner states, don't ask me why, not going to explain it, can't say I can. We're going to turn on the headlights. You can see that the headlight doors do open, because boom, there's your headlights. If we come down here, you're going to see that the gas gauge starts to come up. With the headlights on, gas gauge must get power, somehow works, comes up. He drove it, said if he is curious how much gas there was, he could watch his miles, know about where he was at. And when he started getting close, down to a quarter, thought he'd be below half, click on the lights and check it. It's passing it on from the consigner. He's running out of gas. All right. So you have that. I'm going to leave those headlights on so we can check out the doors. All right. Take a look, closer look at the seats. What do we go to under the hood? See about what you'd expect. Doesn't really look like any rips, tears, or holes. I consider these seats are 50 years old too, and they are original. Headliner, also in good shape. Alright, slip around to the rear of this thing here and run. Nothing crazy. Wild exhaust, anything like that. Appear to be smoking. Alright. Remember, again, 460 underneath the hood, paired up with that C6 automatic. Alright, there's your headlight doors. Work fine. Lights all good. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood. Check out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go. Pretty stock looking engine bay for a 1973 Lincoln. 460 V8 front and away. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Remember, do not have the AC well pulled. Looking at getting into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. On a cool cruiser to drive around in. Go to your local Rollins car shows. Check this out. 1973 three-owner Lincoln Continental Mark IV two-door hardtop, triple white. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call, enter email.